Yo, what's up Hemifam family? Ryan the Hemifam back with another awesome, exciting video for you guys. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys a cool little product that will spice up your stock wheels and your OEM center caps. If you have the center caps that happen to have basically the Dodge hash stripe on them, what this is basically some vinyl decal layovers. So these come in a variety of different colors. Some are pretty closely matched to Mopar colors. I also have some actual damn near color match colors coming in thanks to Lux Auto Concepts. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys these awesome little decals, show you where to get them, link down in the video description, and show you guys how to install them here on your wheels, how easy it is, and just how much of an impact these things make when they're installed on your wheels, guys. And I mean, your wheels can be black, chrome, you know, maybe if you want to color match to your car, if you have a color theme going to your car, maybe your brake calipers are yellow and you want to do these in yellow, they are on there on the website, guys, along with a bunch of other various decals. You are going to get 6 overlays per order, so you do have enough to complete all 4 wheels, and you will have 2 extras for backup or redos, whatever that may be. So with all that being said, be sure you are subscribed to our channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, that way you do not miss all the awesome videos we have lined up in store for you. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get off into today's video and install these on the center caps, guys. Okay guys, so naturally one of the very first things we are going to want to do is clean the surface. We are going to be applying the decal with some alcohol and a microfiber towel. So let's go ahead and do that now. You always want to clean the surface with alcohol, that way the vinyl ensures that it's going to stick and stay stuck to the surface permanently and not going to lift or fall off, any of that stuff. So just real quick, wipe the alcohol on and around it, clean off any dirt and contaminants, and it is now ready for the overlay install. Okay, here we have our overlay, and what you are going to want to do is carefully lift it off of its backing paper here. Another thing that is going to help you is if you have the wheel cool, you don't want to do it when it's hot, because then it is going to stretch the vinyl out as you lay it and apply it. So a nice cool wheel is best. And now we can basically line it up. I like to start at an edge here. You can use your fingers, tweezers, whatever's gonna work for you. And I just align it here at the edge, just somewhat like this, making sure coverage is good. Top, you know, I think I'm gonna put it a little bit lower. There we go. And again, just making sure it looks good on both sides here. And I'm not gonna pull it, but just light tension. And there we go. So now we have one on there. Let's go ahead and take our second one. Get it lined up just where we want it. That looks pretty good. And just tack it on down, guys. So there we have it. We just installed our center cap overlays. These are the Brembo red. So if you have a SRT vehicle, it is going to match the Brembo calipers pretty well, actually. And one thing that you are going to want to do afterwards is, just if you have a heat gun, you know, very liberally give it a little bit of heat just to basically it activates the adhesive a little bit, helps it give it a awesome bond and ensure it is going to stick to your wheels. And when you are washing the vehicle, just be mindful, they are vinyl, so don't use abrasion to basically rub them. Just like I said, be very mindful when cleaning the wheels with pressure and a rag. And that is pretty much it, guys. It looks really good. Let's do a little walk around, show you how it looks on the car. But these are a really great way to spice up your wheel, add a bit of color to your car, and they're not expensive. They're $10 a piece and you get 6. Really awesome product here, guys. Alright my friends, the overlays have been installed. They are on the car and look at that. Oh my gosh, such a huge difference these overlays make, and they fit really good. They look really good. You have extras for whatever reason, and I'm super pleased with the way they look in the Brembo red on the car here, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. That way you do not miss all the awesome content we post for you. If you want to pick up these overlays, they are in the video description, along with a bunch of other vinyl decals that you can pick up from us, guys. So that's pretty much it. Be sure to check the video description for all of our social media links. Follow us there. We also have a really cool affiliate section, Lux Auto Concepts, Blenders Eyewear, to name a few. Get yourself some awesome products and save some money while doing so. So with all that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.